Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Meet Be Unique, and today we're going to see a super live wallpaper and the famous live wallpaper called Wallpaper engine. It's for your mobile phone. It has some of the default live wallpaper and you can just use it on your mobile phone and it will look like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Wallpaper engine application from the Play Store. It's a live wallpaper application. You hear that this is on the PC, but you have a wallpaper engine on your mobile phone too. You have this default wallpaper which look great with high quality of wallpaper. You can find the wallpaper on your home screen. And then I just going to quick review of the other wallpapers. You have a lot of different wallpapers like deep space. You can just adjust the space and click on and fit to the display. You can just change. This is a dino and which is super. You can just flip, and also a lot of options here. It's a gaming wallpaper. I'm just going to set it. You can see. So while you're just clicking, you can play the game, and also you have the score on the top. So you can find the score. It's actually changing, and also you can just. It will be run like this. This is a live wallpaper game. It's provided by the Wallpaper engine, and also it's look great actually. So it's have a high quality and HD lot of wallpapers, and one of my favorite wallpaper this is. And also you can see the realistic fantastic car which look great actually. And you have a lot of different type of wallpaper sets here. You can just use. This is one of my favorite was earth wallpaper which has a parallax effect. You can see this is some of the 3D effect that given by the Wallpaper engine application on your mobile phone, and you can just use it. You can just preview it while just moving the mobile phone. It's look great. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Meet Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.